32-year-old woman brought to the emergency department because of 1 week history of palpitations and shortness of breath. She has congestive heart failure, current medication, furosemide, lisinopril, and atenolol. Pulse is 124, irregularly irregular, and blood pressure is 110/70. Coarse crackles over the lower lung piece bilaterally. Treatment with digoxin is started. 5 days later, ECG shows PR interval prolongation. Which of the following is most likely explanation of the drug? And this one, again, it is digoxin, which is a cardioglycoside. We talked about this. It has vagal action. It increases vagal action. Okay. Why? The primary action of digoxin is what? Myocardial sodium potassium ATPase, an increase in sodium and increase in calcium inside the myocardial cell, but which causes increase in inotropic effect. Correct. However, the digoxin action on AV node is which results in PR interval. This also I spoke. PR interval increase action is by AV nodal delay, right? Very dehydrated. I'm very sorry. Prolongation occurs through the different mechanism, right? I hope you got it.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.